Meditrina Group of Hospitals is a multi-speciality tertiary healthcare institution rendering from round-the-clock emergency service to multidisciplined healthcare through dedicated medical professionals.
Meditrina starts as a hospital to look after patients in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities of the country. We never started hospitals in metros. We started hospitals in small parts of Kerala, subsequently expanded to the country, and we went internationally. We take care of cardiology patients initially. Now we are growing up to a super specialty level. We are the first hospital to start a public-private partnership in an ESIC center in the country.
Originating in Kollam, a small town of Kerala, Meditrina formed a chain of dedicated healthcare centers in Trivandrum, Hyderabad, Palakkad, Kottarakkara, Maldives and Jamshedpur.
Now we are in discussion with the government of Jharkhand too to expand our services to the remote areas to provide cardiology service, because that is, heart attack is a major killer, second most common cause of death in the country.
The Jamshedpur hospital began its operations in 2015 with total cardiac solution under one roof. High quality cardiac surgery, state-of-the-art cath lab facility and supporting departments like internal medicine, chest and dialysis ensure safe patient care and a personalized touch towards every patient.
In Jamshedpur Meditrina, we are started on 2015, and this is initially only cardiac hospital we started here. Our reason to start in Jamshedpur because we believe that in 2 tier 3 tier city this kind of specialty needed most, and that is the reason we came here. And slowly as per the need of the people, we are increasing our specialty. And most importantly, we are tie up with the Jharkhand government for the benefit of the poor people of this area. We are serving to the BPL category patient as well as the general patient, and our specialty we are spreading as per the need of the Jamshedpur and Jharkhand. And we also tie up with a lot of other corporate like ESIC, Tata Motors, and State Bank, LIC, all kind of patient we are trying to cater our services.
Adopting the latest technologies and techniques in cardiac care, Meditrina Jamshedpur strives to be a premier healthcare provider in Jharkhand and the finest destination in tertiary care.
Our objective was to bring to this area the optimal treatment in cardiovascular disease, and we have worked hard in these 2 years in order to realize what our objectives, and I think that we have given in these 2 years a very high quality service to the population in terms of management of cardiovascular disease, particularly in angioplasty. We are performing very complex angioplasty here. We are doing also primary angioplasty, that means treatment of acute myocardial infarction with top level equipment, as I can confirm, comparing with what I am working with in my country in Europe. So I think that we will continue to improve our skills and our services, and to give to be able to give the optimal treatment for this population.
We are also trying to enrich that dream of our Honorable Prime Minister, and then that is where we were in public-private partnership. And later on we started also looking for multi-speciality hospitals, which we were already having in Kollam, and we are now trying to do the same in few other places. Apart from that, we are trying to emulate our model which we created in Jamshedpur, which is a small super speciality setup in a confined places where dedicated services can be given.
Holding a high standard of medical ethics, the hospital assures of its services to be made available equitably on the basis of need.
Within a short span of time, Meditrina Hospital Jamshedpur is known for its best cardiology services all over the Jharkhand. We are catering not only primary angioplasty cases from nearby places, but also various complex cases. They are being sent to us from different metro and other hospitals. We are doing CTOs, complex coronary angioplasty, CRT, BMV, EP study, and almost all the intervention procedures here in Meditrina Hospital Jamshedpur.
मेडिटीना हॉस्पिटल जमशेदपुर में कार्डियोलॉजी छोड़ के पल्मोनरी मेडिसिन में भी इलाज शुरू हो गया है, जिसमें ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, ब्रोंकाइटिस, ब्रोंकियल अस्थमा, COPD, इंटरस्टिशियल लंग डिजीज, ऑक्यूपेशनल लंग डिजीजेस, लंग कैंसर स्क्रीनिंग तथा इसमें बाकी जो स्लीप डिसऑर्डर है उसका भी इलाज हो रहा है।
मेडिट्रीना हॉस्पिटल में मैं एज ए कंसल्टेंट नेफ्रोलॉजिस्ट काम कर रहा हूँ। मेरे हॉस्पिटल में किडनी से रिलेटेड सारी बीमारियों का इलाज होता है। हमारे यहाँ 24 घंटे डायलिसिस की फैसिलिटी है। अगर मरीज सही समय पे आए तो हम उनके बीमारियों का इलाज कर सकते हैं और हमारे यहाँ अच्छे डायलिसिस टेक्नीशियन, वेल ट्रेन्ड नर्स एंड 24 घंटे ICU की फैसिलिटी है।
Meditrina Hospital Jamshedpur has been serving one and all with a commitment towards excellence at all times. Complicated cardiac cases rejected by other centers are welcomed here with an attitude of facing a challenge and emerging a winner.
It's a matter of great joy for all residents of Jamshedpur, especially for senior citizens like us, that a hospital like Meditrina, that possesses all state-of-the-art facilities, has come up in the Steel City. Formerly, people with critical cardiac conditions had to be referred to hospitals elsewhere. Hopefully, that necessity will be obviated and Meditrina will fulfill a long-standing need in Jamshedpur.
Meditrina is like a ray of hope to a lot of patients. Initially, when it comes to cardiac care, the patients used to travel from Jamshedpur to Calcutta and many other cities. But after Meditrina has entered Jamshedpur, the cardiac care has become very easy and the patients are really very happy. Thanks to Meditrina, it's like a boon.
Meditrina, the very name brings good cheer, confidence to the heart. Heart because Meditrina takes care of the heart and allied problems. The doctors here are assured, confident and ensure that patients get the best service and the highest comfort because they do live by the hypocrite's oath they take when they step out into the world to give panacea to a suffering mankind. This is a great relief to the people of Jamshedpur and people staying in and around the city.
Marching ahead with total dedication, discipline and determination, Meditrina Hospital Jamshedpur is leaving no stone unturned to reach the pinnacle of success and make the Steel City proud of its existence for now and in the years to come.